Hey, what's up? This your boy Allan Reallionaire, Allan Williams the Reallionaire, AWTR the Reallionaire. This is my latest single called Simpie Le Pew. You can get it in the description box right here on my page, or you can get it from iTunes, you can get it from Spotify, Google, whatever wherever. But check it out and talk about those. It's giving game to those simps and all that great stuff. You know what I'm saying? So check it out, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Much love. What's up? It's your boy Allan Reallionaire. Don't forget to press that like, subscribe, and hit the bell after you finish watching the video, or even before. Much love to you. Stay prayed up. We out.
I'm the Reallionaire, yeah, I'm the Reallionaire. I'm the Reallionaire, yeah, I'm the Reallionaire.
The woman you are going to kiss Friday on that hot date, unfortunately, my brothers, she is slurping another man's lollipop as we speak right now. You're gonna meet her on Friday, or you have a hot date for Friday, and y'all gonna have a great time. You're gonna spend some money. Yeah, you're gonna spend some money, man. She's gonna show you some affection, and next thing you know, her lips gonna be on your lips. But unfortunately, today, she is slurping and sucking on another man's ham bones lollipop. Ham bone or lollipop. Just letting you know, in case you didn't know, just letting you be aware of what's the reality out here. In reality, we're supposed to be dealing with young virgins. Now, I know that's the past and things have changed. Women are smashing multiple guys every week from Instagram, Facebook, POF, Facebook dating site. The guy at the job, the guy at the gym, they got multiple guys that they smashing on a regular basis. But they still looking good and buying brand new clothes and hairstyles and makeup and eyelashes and lip gloss and lipstick, and they trying to make themselves look new as possible. Because deep inside, they are so used up and abused up, and they are for the street. That's why you gotta check out my latest single called Simpie Le Pew by the Reallionaire. That's me. You'll see my face on the cover. But as long as you know what you're dealing with out here, the choice is yours. It's hard to keep in mind, we all got a past, we all make mistakes, none of us perfect. But just keep in mind that before you kiss her, that she may have been slurping a ham bone yesterday or the day before. As long as you know that, the choice is yours, my brother. I prefer you to think wisely and choose wisely who you put your mouth on, because it's DNA in her mouth alone. Let alone if another man's or multiple men's DNA is in her mouth or under her tongue or on her tongue. That DNA is going to get in your tongue, my brother, and then going to get in your stomach. And DNA carries memory, and memory has curses. So you'll be kissing generational curses out of multiple men. You'll be kissing generational curses out of her mouth from multiple men. Yeah, kissing is not just kissing. It can be real dangerous and real haunting, and it can be a curse more so than a blessing. I'm Allan Reallionaire. Much love to you. Follow me on the Instagram, link in the description box. If you want a one-on-one consultation, let me know. If you want an interview, let me know. If you want the full song to the intro, the full song is in the description box. It's called Allan Williams the Reallionaire. Much love to you. Stay prayed up in Jesus' name. I'm out.
Pookie Ray Ray. He Pookie, I'm Ray Ray. He Pookie, I'm Ray Ray.
Hey, what's up? This is Allan Williams, the Reallionaire. Don't forget to subscribe to all my other pages in the description box as well. Much love to you. If you want a one-on-one consultation, message me on the Instagram link in the description box. If you want an interview, message me on Instagram too. The Instagram link is in the description box. Make sure all y'all follow me on there. Much love. I'm out. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my other two pages in the description box. One gonna be a comedy page and one is an alternative page. Subscribe to both of them. Much love. Reallionaire, we out. What's up, Reallionaire Nation? Like I was saying, if you guys want to promote anything, your YouTube page, your fragrance, your t-shirt line, your business, whatever you want to promote, just holler at me and make a donation of $10 and I got you. All right? Much love to you. Reallionaire. What's up, man? It's your boy Allan Reallionaire. I've been so busy, y'all. Been so busy for all my Patreon members. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to combine 2 in 1. Those of you who want a consultation with me, but your money is just kind of tight, I understand. This is what we're going to do. Tell me what you're going through, and I'll make a video on that. And just make a donation of $20. That way you won't have to pay the consultation fee. You let me know, and I'll try to answer most of your questions in that. That way it'll be cheaper for you. So message me on here on Instagram and let me know what's going on and what type of video you want me making. Maybe I can answer your questions, okay, in that type. That way the time thing, it'll be cheaper for you because I know times are tough sometimes. So that's about it. And the same thing with the Patreon. I'll holler at y'all later. Allan Reallionaire. One love. Stay strong. Jesus.